Hello, I'm Michaela, and today's video is about how to find what's actually used in your Salesforce org. Salesforce org don't get messy because admins are bad. They get messy because Salesforce evolves. Fields get added, automations get layered, and the reports multiply. So today I'm going to show you how to answer one of the most important admin questions, what's actually used in the org and what is just taking up space. We will start with fields because fields are number one clutter. We are now looking at the account objects fields. We can start looking for fields that contain words like temp, old, legacy, do not use, or test. There is one legacy field, so this might be an adapt for deletion. And when we click it, we can continue with the where is this used button. And this field is only used in report type, so it seems to be a good adapt for deletion. Let's see some other examples of where fields can be referenced. This field, on the other hand, is referenced by another field and it is present on the record page, and we can also find it in many reports. This button would show you that a field is referenced in validation rules, formula fields, Apex classes, lightning pages, page layouts, and flows. If you see that a field is referenced in an active flow, you should definitely keep it in your org, otherwise the automation breaks. If a report is displayed here, the field might be used in the report columns or in filters or groupings, so you should always search where exactly it's used and whether it's relevant for the report to keep it there. Another way of searching for references is copying the name of a field and typing it in the search setup bar. And here the results get separated into categories, and you can see that within these results, the field is only referenced in the fields category. We have various fields that includes the total gifts wording in the field name. But searching here, we could also find it reference in permission sets or email alerts, and much more. And also, when searching where a field is actually used, don't forget about integrations. It's one of the biggest traps. A field might look unused internally, but it can still be used by a website form, Zapier, or any other middleware. So before deleting a field, you should always ask whether anything external use this API name. Once you've checked usage, decide whether to keep it when it's used for something important or whether to hide it, whether to remove it from layouts, but keep it for history. And delete a field only when you are confident that it's safe. To prevent future clutter, add descriptions to fields and flows, and always require a reason for creating a new field. Org health is not a one-time activity, it's about maintenance. If you have any questions related to this topic, please don't hesitate to ask us in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye.